In this video, I will walk you through a detailed GlobLinker portable Wi-Fi review to see how this device stacks up against traditional data roaming and local SIM cards. When you are traveling, the biggest trade-off is usually between the convenience of keeping your number and the high cost of international plans. The GlobLinker aims to solve this by offering a dedicated hardware solution that provides internet access in over 140 countries. Looking at the hardware, this multi-carrier device is built for those who need a stable connection without hunting for a local shop the moment they land. While a phone hotspot drains your battery and limits your speed, a standalone router like this is designed for multi-device support, making it a standout choice for digital nomads or families traveling together. It operates as a bridge for all your gadgets, ensuring you don't have to swap physical cards every time you cross a border. Comparing it to other portable routers on the market, the GlobLinker distinguishes itself with its wide reach and multi-carrier support, which ensures you are not stuck with a single weak network provider. Unlike budget travel routers that might struggle with signal drops, this unit focuses on maintaining high-speed consistency across different regions. Having the flexibility to connect multiple devices simultaneously is a huge win for productivity. It is a reliable companion for anyone looking to avoid the hidden fees of traditional carriers while maintaining professional-grade connectivity. If you found this review helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more tech deep dives. Let me know in the comments which travel gadget you want to see next.